So once we are done with researching the keywords, now it's time to filter them with matrix average monthly searches and competition. So we go to keyword planner tool and we need to go to get search volume and forecast. So I'm writing the keywords what I had found out. So you can copy paste those keywords. So I would have to copy paste all the keywords, of course. So I'm just putting them. And there would be more keywords, of course, which we can check. So I'm just doing get started. I'll have to paste all the keywords what I had found out and get started. Now click on historical matrix. So if you see, these are the 5 keywords what I had pasted. When I have more, I'll paste more, of course. And so these are the matrix which we are identifying for the keyword which we are thinking to target on our website. So if you see, I've written here, and now I'm changing the location from India to Mumbai since we have our clinics in Mumbai. So I'm changing it to Mumbai. And you can target more in case you want more countries. If let's say we can target more countries, more cities and more countries simultaneously. In case I had to find even Goa, I would have taken Goa also here. I'm saving it up. So if you see, so again it's doing the same, around same matrix. So we are seeing from Mumbai, and these are the 5 keywords what we thought. And if you see dash is something that Google doesn't have much data around it. So if you see another keyword, hearing aid clinic in Mumbai, it is saying that average monthly searches are from 10 to 100, and competition is medium as in there are not many people who are trying to rank on this keyword. Had it been high, then we would have identified, okay, there are a lot of people who are trying to rank on this keyword. Had it been low, we would have identified, okay, there are less number of people who are trying to use these keywords. So what we'll do is we'll download this plan. All we need is these 3 columns: keyword, average monthly searches, and competition. We don't want more keywords as more columns to be taken into consideration. That is for another modules, which is search engine marketing. So these 3 columns are what we need. So I'm downloading it to Google Sheets. So it'll give me this competition and average monthly searches. And in case I want more keywords, of course I can put more keywords out here and in forecast. And also if I need more suggestions, I can take suggestions from Google as well. So I'm going to keyword ideas again. And also we can do discover new keywords. So I am writing modern hearing aids, benefit hearing aid in Mumbai. And also if you want, you can put the website for Google to understand more. Even if you don't put it, that's okay. Get results. So here Google is giving me some ideas. Some ideas I had put, now Google is giving me more ideas. If you see, we have we can also change keywords. So if I want to broaden it more, I can do it more out here. So I'm just putting it up here. Again, I can download keyword ideas, and in case I want to change them, I can change again. So if we see our sheet, okay, so I had downloaded another sheet. So I would have to download historical matrix, and in this historical matrix, we would need just average monthly searches in competition. And say for example, we go to download Google Sheets, and we need to also change the location. If we are searching it from Mumbai, we need to change the location. Let's see more. Let's try to put more keywords here. Also I'm putting the website ashclinic.com. Gets results. From Mumbai. multiple locations can be taken here, and I can put more. In case I want more, I want to add more keywords, I can put more keywords here. Or mostly it would be that, okay, if you already have selected the keywords through the keyword research, you can put it here and gather more ideas. So you can choose some average monthly result searches which are really low. So that would work for here. That would work better, that when we already tried finding out the keywords which we had. All the keywords can be downloaded. It can be even a CSV, it can be even a Google Sheet. And then we'll have to actually prioritize based on how many people are searching. So this is a wrong sheet. We will have to find out a new sheet. So I've added these keywords to the plan. Let me check. So it should give one option which I can't see as of now. Let's check. So once we know that, okay, how many people are searching for this keyword, so yes, this is the correct sheet. So I just had to put it in plan. Now if I want more, I can put more. So if you see, it's a CSV which gives us columns. So it would be a competition, it would be minimum or maximum search volume. Let me take another example here because I'm not able to find many keywords here. Let's say if you really want to search for best hearing aid clinic, hearing aid Mumbai. So I'm able to see a very few of them, but yes, now at least we have good keywords. So I'm adding them. And now I am downloading them to Google Sheets. Great. So if you see the sheet, we have got a proper sheet. And I need only 3 columns here, which is keyword. I don't need currency. I don't need this.
It's 8 o'clock.
I'm not even taking the minimum search volume. I'm just considering the highest one, and competition. So remaining all these column, top of the bid, etc., we don't need them. So I'm just deleting. So all we need is these 3. What is the keyword? What is the maximum search volume? And how is the competition? So now when you're choosing, you have an idea, okay, these are the keywords which we want to choose it on our website. And then from here, we can prioritize based on a rule which is 40-40-20 rule. And here when we talk about 40-40-20, you can actually take keywords which are high in competition, even which are low in competition, and even which are medium in competition. Why? Because we keywords are opportunities which we really don't want to miss out on. So when we are choosing keywords, we need to take all of them into consideration. Of course, the priority would be the keywords which are low in competition and have maximum search volume. That would be the best combination. But then otherwise we can take 40 medium. When we are talking about 40, it's 40% actually. So if you have 100 keywords, then 40 would be from category medium, 40 should be from category low, and 20 could be from category high. So that's how you will prioritize. So let's say if I have to take 5 keywords, I would take hearing aid in Mumbai, and I'm putting it to my final sheet. Let me check if I have my final sheet here. here's my keyword research. So now I'm taking the finalized keywords that I can put these here. Okay, this is the keyword. What are the monthly searches and how is the competition based on how we found it out. So that's how you can fill it up. The top keywords, it could be top 100 keywords, it could be top 50 keywords, howsoever you want to work on. A brand like Flipkart would have thousands of keyword, of course, depending upon the products and products what they are offering. They have huge range. So e-commerce would definitely have more keywords, and from here we'll prioritize and finalize the keywords. Okay, these are the keywords which finally we'll be working on, and then from based on these keywords we would have some content ideas. Let's say if I want to generate some content regarding hearing aid Mumbai, so maybe I could generate a ebook on hearing aid. Could be in Mumbai, of course. I need to even finalize on the keywords, and so here we have a lot of keywords. So we need to actually prioritize and take them. And there would be more keywords here. Just we are searching for this, and let's say we can take this keyword and maybe we can come up with a blog. Siemens hearing aid. Maybe we can come up with Siemens hearing aid dealers in Mumbai. So maybe we can come up with a case study on Siemens hearing aid, not dealers in Mumbai, of course. We'll have to put it somewhere where we are doing a call to action. Maybe we can put that best hearing aid Siemens Atharva and Ash Clinic. That could be the call to action, that we have Siemens hearing aid deal. We are the Siemens hearing aid dealers in Mumbai. So that would even complete our keywords. So that's how exactly you would do keyword research procedure from step 1, step 2, step 3 and step 4, which would be finalizing and putting up the suggestions. It could be even video content for best hearing aids. So whatever keyword we are finding out, we will have to think that how we can generate the content and put it on our website or our channels so that we start ranking better. So that's how you would do a keyword research procedure.